Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. I'm Victoria and you're welcome to this space. So guys, in today's video is a very quick video as I'm heading out to market. So I said let me unbox what I bought the previous market vlog. Let me unbox the shopping haul for you guys to see what I got, okay? So with that being said, let's go to it. So firstly, I have this. I got this crop top. It's like a crop top, you see. I got this crop top in the market I went the other day, and it's very nice. The texture is very soft. It's very calm. It's even like it feels wet, but it's not wet. The texture is very nice. So the next one is I got this mesh top, also in the same market. See, I got this mesh top, and the texture is also nice. It's floppy. It feels like net, but it's not net. So these are two items I got, and this one I want to open now, guys. You see the way we fought for this dress. Oh my goodness, you'll be amazed. I have tried some of them out, especially this gown, to see if it fits me well in the market. So you see guys, the way we fought for this gown, the gown was not up to 20 pieces. It was just 10 pieces, and I was the first one that got it and give the remaining ones out. And people were asking me to drop it so that they could pick it and pay for it. I said no, I'm wearing this can be what, dinner dates with your guy or a birthday party, you know. It's so fine, it's so soft, look like an animal skin, you see. So lastly, on dresses, if I went to jeans. If you're hearing any noise from outside, sorry, it's my dad is revising his car to take us out, so I have to be very fast. So I got these shorts. This short said look chill. Oh my goodness, so nice tension. You see, I don't know whether it's Hamatan that is making them look so cool. So I got this shirt too, and I got this headband. You see, I got them in two different colors. See guys, and this on dress. So moving to jeans. So see this jean, this one is a quicker, this one is thrift. It's a thrift wear. So you see, I got it in the thrift market, but this one's a new cloth, but this one is thrift. I got two. I got this jean as well. It's also thrift. Are you seeing guys what I got in the market? I've tested them all and they size me, some of them not all. They're moving to hair. They're done with clothes. I got this because I want to be making my kids' sister's hair, so I need some items to make them, because I started learning how to braid hair recently. So I got these lovely wrap band and coils that I'll be using, and this cute comb, pinky, and some scissors that I'll be using for her hair. So this aside, I got these two lovely attachments for her. for our hair, you see. I got this in Perfect Market for her. I also got mine. That's mine. Mine is three different color. This is 13. This is 27 and this is 30. So I'll be using these two colors together to make my own hair. So guys, this, and I also got this foot comb. You see? So this is basically everything I got in the market. So guys, thank you so much for watching up till now. I'm so sorry if I'm being too fast because I want to head out with my dad and he does have special. He does not wait for anyone once he have started his car. So that's basically it. If you have watched up till now, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Show me love by doing that. Click your notification bell to notify whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, guys, love you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye.